it came, my new stainless steel home brewing kettle I got on Amazon. It actually came faster than I thought. I thought it was supposed to be here Tuesday. So we are going to unbox it right here. I got a really good deal on this. It was like 50 bucks, and it's a 10-gallon stainless steel kettle. I'm all about cheap home brewing equipment that's pretty decent. It came with a lid too. There's our lid. Right over there. This is all you really need to start all grain brewing. I don't go nuts with the kettles. I mean, you can if you want, but I like saving money. So let me put this camera down so I can open this. It's from Bayou Classic, 40 quarts, 10 gallons. Nice lid. I don't know if you can see this, but it's got the numbers for the gallons on the inside. Have to test that out, see how accurate it is. See how it sits on my burner. I just got back from the homebrew shop. Got my recipe. See how it sits here. Ah, perfect. A little smaller, I would have had to put a grate over it. That's nice. Nice. If you're looking for a cheap stainless steel homebrew kettle, I'll put the link in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so I'll get like pennies if you click on it. But oh, cool! It's got the they're etched in the outside too. So I might be brewing tomorrow. I got my recipe. So that's about it. This is pretty cool. 10 gallons. Gives me a lot of room. That way I won't have any boilovers. So there you go. Stainless steel homebrew kettle. Perfect.